Alright, so here's another video of KartMan. Gonna be showing you guys how I'm doing this full dance. The other video was short was due to the fact it was a video recorded from Messenger and sent it to Zockler65 so you could see it. But here he is for all of you guys. So, one thing I did notice within the dance was very different. Is of course, when it comes to his arms, I don't think his arms will move any further up like they do with the real one. And at the end, instead of lifting his arms up, he just has them in the middle and then puts them down. That's pretty weird. Now, a lot of you are probably, if a lot of you don't know how certain things are supposed to work, if especially if you're all wondering why he hardly works properly, is due to the fact that all his gears are split. I mean, just listen. Surprising those aren't. But the torso is. So are his legs. But I will be trying fixing them up throughout the day. I got work today, but hope I'll have them done before the day ends. What else? I think that's about it.